Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max and I'm going to show you, actually explain the IPX5 waterproof rating. So how to actually interpret this? The NAVEE GT3 Max IPX5 rating is basically your scooter's rain tolerance level, but it's often misunderstood. So it means that it's protected against low pressure water jets from any direction. In real life, your GT3 Max can handle light to moderate rain, wet roads and splash-on cars, riding through damp city streets, and light water spray during cleaning, but you need to be careful with it. You need to think about commuter rain safe, not fully waterproof or just waterproof at all. What IPX5 doesn't mean. It's not safe for heavy storms or prolonged downpour, riding through deep puddles, submersion even briefly, pressure washing or strong hose jets, and spraying water into ports or joints. The most vulnerable areas in your scooter are actually, there are four of these areas. The first one is charging port, the second one is folding mechanism, the third one is deck seams, actually it are deck seams, because here got battery and closure edges, and motor and hub seals, and exposed to strong spray. So remember, charging port, biggest risk, folding mechanism, deck seams, because there we have battery enclosure edges, and motor hub seals if exposed to the strong spray. So that's it. Goodbye.